Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, where I talk about money science that isn't taught in school. Today, I'm going to share with you some important financial truths that you need to know if you want to achieve financial freedom and success. Money is not the same as wealth. Money is just a medium of exchange that represents the value of goods and services. Wealth is the accumulation of assets that generate income or appreciate over time. You can have a lot of money, but still be poor if you spend it all on liabilities that lose value or cost you money. You can also have little money, but still be rich if you invest it wisely in assets that produce cash flow or grow in value. Saving money is not enough. Saving money is important, but it's not enough to build wealth. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money over time, so you need to invest your money in something that can beat inflation and earn you a return. There are many ways to invest your money, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, etc. The key is to diversify your portfolio and learn how to manage your risk and reward. Debt is not always bad. Debt is often seen as a negative thing, but it can also be a powerful tool to leverage your money and create wealth. There are two types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that helps you acquire an asset that generates income or appreciates in value, such as a mortgage for a rental property or a student loan for education. Bad debt is debt that finances a liability that loses value or costs you money, such as a car loan or a credit card for consumer spending. The trick is to use good debt wisely and avoid bad debt as much as possible. Financial literacy is not taught in school. Most schools don't teach personal finance as part of their curriculum, so most people grow up without learning the basic skills and knowledge they need to manage their money effectively. This is why many people struggle with financial problems such as debt, overspending, undersaving, and lack of investing. If you want to be financially literate, you need to take charge of your own education and learn from books, podcasts, blogs, courses, mentors, etc. These are just some of the money truths that they don't teach you in school, but should. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what other money topics you want me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.